Ladies and gentlemen, the winning team Fly Your Ideas contest is from the University of Queensland.
I really think we did our best, and I think our idea is probably really close to what this contest intended to bring out.
I was convinced by the idea first, then I was secure by the team spirit, by the project management and the capacity of the team to manage a project.
I think our idea is unique in one sense because we can use today's technology to achieve our vision for sustainable flight in the future.
One area that it's helped a lot in is working in teams. In industry experience, there's a lot of teamwork. It takes a lot of collaboration to get something done.
The individual buy-in that each of them had was really refreshing to see. It just wasn't a project to come up with an idea for a contest. It was something that they really believed in, which I think made a big difference in the final product.
We feel that innovation is about exploration of ideas. We believe our idea is realistic, and that's the most important thing for us.
We decided to take the caster plant and produce a composite.
So it's really great just to work close in a team and achieve something together.
Maybe there can be some chances for us to probably work further on our idea. That would be really great.